Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel RYK Tech. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove microphone button from your iPhone or iPad keyboard. Microphone button from iPhone or iPad keyboard in iOS 16 or iOS 15 version. So, guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So, guys, first of all, I can show you the button. So you can see, guys, in the right corner at the bottom, the down, check here microphone. And simply, so guys, tap on cancel, go back, open the settings app on your iPhone. So scroll down, tap general here, scroll down again and tap on keyboard here. So here is the keyboard, scroll down and so here you can see, guys, enable dictation. So tap to turn this off, dictation, turn off dictation. So after disabling in dictation option, go back. Now open keyboard again. So here you can see, guys, now the microphone button has been removed from my keyboard. So here you can see, guys, the microphone button has been removed now. So guys, here is the simple method for remove microphone button from your iPhone keyboard. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.